Hi guys, today we are going to learn a story. Moreover, we are going to learn how to read English. So if you are a beginner in English, then this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. A story named The Crow and the Pitcher. The Crow and the Pitcher. Once, a thirsty crow came across a pitcher placed outside a house, which was only half filled with water. After many unsuccessful attempts to drink water from the pitcher, the crow came up with a bright idea and collected small pebbles and dropped them one by one inside the pitcher. As a result, the water rose to the mouth of the pitcher. The crow then quenched his thirst and saved his life. We can achieve targets even with little things.